Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomials of the trinomial squares displayed on the screen. To solve the first exercise, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. In order for me to use the formulas, I need to write the trinomial negative 7x minus 6y plus 5z in parentheses squared in a little bit different way. So I can write the trinomial as 5z minus 7x minus 6y in parentheses squared. I can also write it as 5z minus, in parentheses 7x plus 6y combined as one term in square parentheses squared. This way, 5z will correspond to the a in the formula, and 7x plus 6y will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula for a minus b in parentheses squared, this equals to 5z in parentheses squared minus 2 times 5z multiplied by 7x plus 6y plus 7x plus 6y in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I get 25z squared minus 10z multiplied by 7x plus 6y plus, then I can apply the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared for 7x plus 6y. 7x will correspond to the a in the formula, 6y will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, I get 7x in parentheses squared plus 2 times 7x multiplied by 6y plus 6y in parentheses squared. And when I continue simplifying further, I get 25z squared minus, I need to open parentheses and multiply 10z with 7x and then with 6y with a negative sign. So I get negative 70xz minus 60yz plus 49x squared plus, I have 2 times 7, 14 multiplied by 6 is 84xy plus 36y squared. And as a final answer, I can write this polynomial in a standard form. And it equals to 49x squared plus 36y squared plus 25z squared plus 84xy minus 70xz minus 60yz. To solve the next exercise, I'm going to use the formula for trinomial square. A plus b plus c in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. In order for me to use the formula, I need to write the trinomial negative 5x minus 4y minus 3z in parentheses square as a product of negative 1 multiplied by 5x plus 4y plus 3z. And this entire product is squared. This way, when I distribute the exponent, I get negative 1 squared multiplied by 5x plus 4y plus 3z in parentheses squared. Negative 1 squared is 1, or This equals to 5x plus 4y plus 3z in parentheses squared. And when I apply the formula for trinomial square, I get 5x squared plus 4y squared plus 3z squared plus 2 times 5x multiplied by 4y plus 2 times 5x multiplied by 3z plus 2 times 4y multiplied by 3z. And when I simplify further, this equals to 25x squared plus 16y squared plus 9z squared plus 2 times 5, 10 multiplied by 4, I have 40xy. Then I have 10 times 3 plus 30xz. And then I have 2 times 4, 8 times 3 is 24yz. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.